Join me as I take on the challenge of building wealth early and see just what's really possible when I put my money moves to the test. Building wealth at a young age seems like a myth, a pipe dream that only a select few achieve. Many of us are led to believe that accumulating wealth requires years of hard work, dedication, and a bit of luck. I used to think that way too, until I started digging deeper. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to building wealth. It's not just about having a high-paying job or being born into a wealthy family. There are countless examples of young people who've achieved financial freedom through smart decisions and a bit of creativity. I'd like to share a story about a friend who started investing in real estate in his early 20s. He began by buying a small apartment and renting it out to students. It wasn't a huge profit, but it was a start. Over time, he reinvested his earnings and expanded his portfolio. Today, he's financially independent and living the life he wants. So what's holding us back from achieving similar success? For many, it's a lack of knowledge or fear of taking the first step. But I'm here to tell you that it's never too early to start building wealth. One strategy that's worked for many young people is to start small. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Focus on making 1 or 2 smart financial decisions each month. It could be as simple as setting aside a portion of your income or cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Another key mindset is to be patient and persistent. Building wealth takes time, and it's easy to get discouraged when you don't see immediate results. But the truth is, every small step you take today will add up to make a big difference in the long run. I've also learned that it's essential to educate yourself on personal finance and investing. There are many resources available online, from blogs to podcasts to courses. Take advantage of these to learn new strategies and stay up to date on market trends. Of course, there are also risks involved in building wealth. You might make mistakes or encounter setbacks along the way. But the key is to learn from these experiences and use them as opportunities for growth. One of the most impactful tips I've come across is the power of compound interest. When you start investing early, even small amounts can add up over time. For example, if you invest $100 per month from age 20 to 30, you'll have around $100,000 by the time you're 65, assuming a 7% annual return. Experts agree that starting early is crucial to building wealth. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. And it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and security that comes with it. So, what can you do today to start building wealth? Start by setting a goal, whether it's saving for a down payment on a house or paying off student loans. Then, make a plan and take action. Taking control of your finances can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. By breaking it down into smaller steps and staying focused, you can achieve your goals and build a brighter financial future. As you start your wealth-building journey, keep in mind that it's not a solo endeavor. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage you, and don't be afraid to seek advice from experts. To illustrate the power of starting early, let's consider another example. Suppose you save $500 per month from age 25 to 35 and then stop. If you earn an average annual return of 7%, you'll have around $1 million by the time you're 65. The benefits of building wealth early extend far beyond just accumulating money. It's about creating a life of freedom and possibility. Imagine being able to pursue your passions without worrying about the bills. Another crucial aspect is to avoid debt, especially high-interest debt like credit card balances. This can quickly drain your finances and set you back. Instead, focus on building an emergency fund and saving for long-term goals. When it comes to investing, don't be afraid to take calculated risks. This might mean exploring different asset classes or trying new strategies. Just be sure to do your research and understand the potential risks and rewards. The journey to building wealth is not always easy, but it's worth it. Every step you take today brings you closer to achieving your goals and living the life you deserve. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step today and watch your financial future transform. As you move forward, remember that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay informed, and you'll be on your way to achieving financial freedom. Your journey starts now, and I'm excited to see where it takes you. Leave a comment below and share your own wealth-building journey or questions you have. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and insights to help you on your path to financial freedom.